Hello everyone, if you guys are watching this, kindly subscribe for more. Anyway, so in Canada, as you can see, kahit bago man o luma yung kotse mo, ang number one na pwede mong dapat bilhin for investment purposes, saka para safe kayo lahat, is a winter tire. People keep saying na all season tires are okay, but Toronto is unpredictable. Kaya nga ngayon, talagang mahirap mag-drive kasi after to ng snowstorm. So, in my opinion lang, winter tire is probably better than having a newer car. Kasi in the long run, winter tire would save you. Especially pag like, parang ito. Oh my gosh, see? Hindi to naka-winter tire. Oh, see? Hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta tong kotseng to. Hindi ako maka-overtake. So, hihintayin ko na lang to. Kaya naka-emergency hazard siya kasi most likely cautious siya, hindi siya naka correct tires. So yeah, ito lang pagda-drive, normal lang, buti nga wala na masyadong snow. At it's not too bad, but like I said, investment wise, mas maganda pa rin talaga magkaroon ng magandang gulong kaysa bagong sasakyan. Alright, well that's it. Hope you guys like my opinion and my advice if you do live in Canada. Yeah, take it easy peeps. Subscribe for more, yo!